Hi friend, my name is Evelyn. I'm a digital strategist, and in today's video I want to talk with you a new, better, cheaper way to connect your lead ads with your email autoresponder. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I'm now in one of my ads managers, and as you can see, I'm running quite a few lead gen campaigns. I really love this campaign objective because it's a powerful tool for your business. Whether you're a local business and you want to find clients, or you are, an online entrepreneur, you want to build your email list, or you're a coach, you want to find new clients, lead ads are one of the most affordable, most powerful ways to connect with potential clients on Facebook. And the reason for that is that they are so convenient. So let me quickly show you one of my lead ads so you understand what I mean. Lead ads are basically forms, promoted forms that live on Facebook. So you can make a specific offer for potential customers, like I, in my case here, offered those Canva lead magnet builder templates. And if people want to have that, they can just click on sign up and they can give you their contact details right away on Facebook. So it's super convenient. You don't even have to have a website to be able to do this. And because everything flows so fast, people give you their email address easily, and it's very affordable cost per lead. So now here is the downside of this. Because this only lives on Facebook and it's so convenient, the lead turns cold super fast, and we need to figure out a way to get the data out of Facebook and follow up as soon as possible. So in my case, or everyone that works with a strategic freebie, something that needs to be delivered in an email, you will want to connect Facebook lead ads with an email autoresponder. If you are a local business and you have a sales crew and people should follow up with leads on the phone, then you could connect Excel spreadsheets and run a report. So the old way to do this, and here's what the problem is that for most connections, there is no pre-built path from Facebook. So you need other tools to connect Facebook lead ads with your email autoresponder, with spreadsheets, and with other tools, with your HubSpot, CRM, whatever you use to follow up with leads. And in the past, I was doing this with a tool called Zapier. So Zapier is basically a glue that connects one app on the internet with another app. And while I thought it's really easy and practical to set things up, what I really didn't like, and what you can see here by the angry face and here by the comment of people saying, I signed up, I didn't get it, is that Zapier took always around 15 minutes to pass the information through to my email autoresponder and to send the email out so that my email autoresponder can send the email out to people. And basically people thought once they signed up and they didn't receive an email within 5 minutes, they were like, okay, this is a scam, this is not working, I gave my contact details and I'm not getting anything. And 90% of people will not come back and delete their sometimes nasty comment on the ad, right? Or their angry reaction, because they expect things to run smoothly and their freebie to be delivered immediately. Same applies if you have a sales team and they should follow up quickly. So the longer it takes, the colder the lead gets. And this was always kind of my problem with Zapier, plus that it's actually not as affordable and you have to pay a monthly fee. So now I came across this new tool, and this is called Integromat. And Integromat is first off free for the first 1,000 transactions. So it's really great if you are just a small business, if you're just starting out with your online business and with lead gen ads, it's a great way to try it. And then if you should get over those 1,000 operations, then it's also really affordable, and it costs up until 10,000 operations, it costs $9 a month, which is approximately half of what I had to pay for Zapier. So really cool tool. And also the connection, the setup is so easy because it's very visual. So let me quickly show you this. All you have to do is say create a new scenario. And now you can type in whatever app you want to connect with another app. So it's not only for Facebook lead ads, it's for just about every tool online you can imagine. But let's stick with the example. So Facebook lead ads, continue. And now let's click on it and say new lead. So now first thing is we need to connect Integromat with Facebook. You want to be logged into your Facebook, and then you can create a new webhook. So you want to say add. And now you want to give your ad hook a name. You can name it with date, everything that helps you to stay organized. And now if you didn't already connect, all you have to do is say add, and it prompts you to Facebook to a login window. You log in again, you allow Integromat to access your account, and then that's it. I already did this step. And then you can select whatever page you have where you run the ads from. I just have also some for clients. Okay. And then you want to select the form, the lead form that lives on Facebook. So for this page, I have 2 lead forms, and this is for the lead magnet builder templates. All right, so that was already the very first step. We want to say, okay, and you're connected. Next thing is that we want to pull the people's data from the lead form. So now you want to say, get lead details. And then you want to select again your page. And the corresponding lead form. And now all you have to do is pull the lead ID. And you see it says here what you need to pull, and then you just need to match it. So lead ID goes to lead ID. Super easy. Okay, next step. Now we want to connect our email autoresponder. In my case, it's ActiveCampaign. So I'm going to search for this. And you can see it already comes up. It has integration to all popular email autoresponder, also to ConvertKit, to Aweber. I did this for a couple of my clients yesterday because I'm so excited about it. And MailChimp, so every app that you most likely use, it will have the integration. Okay, so now I want to say I want to create or update a new contact. And now I want to pull the email from the lead ad. And you can see it's automatically suggesting this to us. So again, we just need to look how is the field called and then pull the field name in here. So, okay. And I just want to pull the email for this example. Okay, so now already our email address gets pulled from Facebook into our software. If you haven't connected your software yet, there are 2 possible scenarios. One is that you just need to be logged into your email autoresponder on another tab. And then you, just like you did with Facebook, you want to add a new connection. Or like with ActiveCampaign, you have to enter an API key. For most email autoresponders, you will find your API key in the settings. And then it will say something like API key, or for ActiveCampaign, it says developer, and then you find your keys. Okay, so you just have to paste that in here, and then it's already connected. Okay, so now Facebook is already sending the data into our email automation software. So that's cool. Now we have to have an automation in our tool set up that actually delivers the freebie. So the way I have set this up is under automations. I have set up a logic, and you can do this with every email campaign. I have set up a logic that says every time someone subscribes to the list, Lead Magnet Builder, it will send this email where the Lead Magnet Builder templates are in, and then it will follow up, with a nurturing sequence after a few days. So now we have the email address, but we still need to subscribe the new lead, the new subscriber to the list so that he can get into the automation and actually gets the freebie delivered. So this is what I want to do now. I want to again add ActiveCampaign, and I want to say update context list status. So you see here everything you can do. You could also set this up using tags, then you would just say add a tag to a contact. So this is how you just prefer to manage it in your tool. So now we want to pull the list, and this is Integromat does that all for you in the backend. So it just, once you connected it, it will suggest you automatically the lists you have. Now we need to map the contact ID, and we want to map it with the contact ID in ActiveCampaign. So again, you have ID is here, and perfect. So this is everything that we need. And now let's test it. So we want to come back to our Facebook page, and it should be the page where we run the ads from. So now we want to come here to test this to publishing tools. And under the publishing tools, we have the lead ad forms, and then we have the forms library. So now we want to preview the form and say developer testing tools. This is if you have never filled it out once. If you have filled it out once. If you've never filled it out, you could just enter your details here now. But I have filled it out in the past. So I need to come here, select my page, select my form, say delete lead, and now say preview form. And now I want to run this as a test. So I want to say run once, come here, enter my detail and say test 002, next, and submit the form. So now you can see it's running and you don't have to wait. It immediately sends everything through. And now we can see if actually the contact already is in active campaign and add it to the list. So let me search here for test 002. And here you see it was created just this minute. And when I click on it, it got added to the list and it entered the automation. And with that, if it was a real email address and not a test email address, you will get the email, the double opt-in, and then after the freebie delivered. So that's it. Then you just have to toggle it on. Yes, you want to run it immediately, and you're good to go. That was it. I really love this tool. I wish I found it earlier, and I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you understand a bit better how to connect your lead ads with your email autoresponder now, and that you will check this tool out. All right, so that's it for now. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks. Bye.